Hello everybody, I'm Sia. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Welcome back to my channel. So today what are we gonna do is we are gonna continue with our chapter Electricity of class 10th of our science book. So now I'm gonna ask you some questions like I always do in my other videos too. And if you don't know the answer of these questions, then my friend, you need to watch this video. So the first question that I'm gonna ask you is, what is a resistor? Then, how resistors are connected in series? And first of all, what do you mean by a series circuit, or how do a series circuit looks like? Then, what happens when with current and potential difference in series circuit? So now first of all, let's study about a resistor. That what is a resistor? A resistor is a substance or a piece of metal alloy which has an average resistance. So simply in our desi bhasha, a substance, any substance having resistance is known as a resistor. For example, your TV, your fan, your bulb, your fridge, etc, etc. Then moving on to the next topic, that is series circuit, and this is a really very new topic, so please guys listen it with a lot of concentration. So there are some important points that are there in a series circuit, and after these 3 points I'm going to show you that how a series circuit looks like. So the first point that it is there in series circuit is, in series circuit current remains same. Fine. So the current in series circuit remains same, and in series circuit potential difference divides, and in series circuit resistance is more than parallel circuit. And I know you haven't understood anything from these 3 points. So first of all, let me show you that how a series circuit looks like. So first of all, look at the first image, which has a battery having 24 volts of potential difference, then three resistors which are of 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm. So as we all know that a wire has two endpoints. Fine, we know that every wire has two endpoints. So in a series circuit, so let's firstly talk about 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistor. Let's forget that there is a third resistor also which has a 3 ohm resistance. Let's forget about it. We just simply concentrate on 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistor. So as we all know that a wire has two endpoints, so let's see 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistor. As you can see in 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistor, one end of both these resistors is attached to each other. Fine, and the another end of these resistances is attached to the opposite ends of the battery. Fine, this is exactly what happens in a series circuit. In a series circuit, there is a two resistance, right? Fine, so for simplicity I'm saying only two resistance, so that you can understand it really very easily. So in a series circuit, what happens in a series circuit when there are two resistors, and these and one end of these resistors is attached with each other without being interrupted by any other resistor, and the other end of these resistors is attached with the opposite ends of the battery, is there in series circuit. So let's see the second image. As you can see that in second image there's a battery having potential difference V, and there are two resistances R1 and R2. So as you can see from these from this second image, that the and first end point, that is the one end point of both these resistors, is connected to each other, and the other end points of these resistors is connected to the opposite terminals of the battery. So I hope you all have understood the series circuit, and if you haven't understood anything in series circuit, then please comment down below. I'll try to resolve every query, and probably I'll try to make another video on it. So before showing you the images of series circuit, I made you learn 3 points, that is these 3 points. Fine, so let's move on to these 3 points again. In series circuit, currents remain same. So first of all, let's look at the first image, and if there is any current, if suppose there is a ammeter in this circuit, so as you all know that ammeter shows the reading of current. सो अगर इसमें एमीटर होता तो क्या होता, इसके अंदर करंट फ्रॉम ऑल द थ्री रेजिस्टेंसेज दैट आर देयर, दैट इज 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm resistors, the current would be the same. And the second point is, in series circuit potential difference divides then, which implies that the potential difference from 1 ohm resistance is different from that of potential difference 2 ohm resistance is having, and that of 2 resistance potential difference, that is the potential difference of 2 ohm resistance is different from 3 ohm resistors. Fine, let me explain in Hindi that हमारा जो करंट होगा 1 ohm 2 ohm और 3 ohm रेजिस्टेंसेस में से वो सेम होगा, मतलब 1 ohm भी सेम. लेट्स से 1 ohm is our fan, then the other is our refrigerator, then the other is our TV. If we connect our TV, fridge and fan in a series circuit, then they all will draw the same amount of current, right? And when we will connect these three appliances, that is our fridge, TV and fan, then they all will draw different amount of potential difference. Fine. And the resistance, that is our resistance, that our total resistance just adds up in this series circuit. For example, if a question comes that what is the resistance of the first circuit, then you are going to write, my friend, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6 ohm. And the resistance of series circuit is always more than parallel. In our next video, I'll show you, or I'll explain you that what is a parallel circuit. Then you need to learn the definition or the derivation, you need to learn the derivation, that how the formula of resistance of series comes out. We all know that V equals to IR, and in the first line this S under R denotes series. Fine, V equals to IR we know. Then I'm so sorry for that. So IR is V again. Fine. So IR is V. V1, V2, V3. Then V is IR. Fine. So IR IR in series, IR1, IR2, IR3. As I've already told you that I remains same in series circuit. So we haven't named I as I1, I2, I3. फाइन. और रेजिस्टेंस तो हर किसी में अलग होती है. सो नाउ हमने अब इसमें से कॉमन लिया, इन फोर्थ स्टेप कॉमन लिया, और फिर आई एक दूसरे से कट गए, तो ये क्या हो गया, आर एस. सो वेन एवर वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सीरीज सर्किट, वी जस्ट हैव टू एड द रेजिस्टेंसेज. लाइकवाइज आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन दिस फर्स्ट इमेज. Moving ahead to a question, let's practice a question on series circuit. So first of all, read an example which is from the NCERT only. And now you all would be thinking that why have I taken this question from NCERT? So the answer to your question is, I want you all to go through your NCERT first, as your NCERT is like a Bible. So moving ahead, just read this question. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm. So the lamp or the bulb in this circuit or this given image is same only. Fine. So the bulb here is given has a resistance of 20 ohm, and there is also a conductor or a resistor you can say is having a resistance of 4 volt. Then the question says that they are connected with a 6 volt battery. Then what do we have to calculate? The total resistance of the circuit, that is 4 plus 20, 24. The current through the circuit, I've already told you the current remains the same in the series circuit. So we are given with the potential difference, and the total resistance is 24. So we'll calculate the current with the formula V equals to IR and the potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. So in order to calculate the potential difference across the lamp and the conductor, we know that the potential difference divides in the series circuit, that it is different, it's not same as current. So we need to calculate the potential difference across both these resistors in separate ways, that we have to calculate the potential difference separately. So after we'll get the current, the total current, then we will find the potential difference across these two conductors, or sorry, in across these two resistors separately by using the formula V equals to IR. We need to calculate V, then I will be calculated by us in the second part, and R we know in the first case is 4, in the second case is 20. So if you haven't understood anything throughout this video, then please comment down below. I'll try to resolve each and every query of yours. And please guys, please subscribe to my channel, it's free. And if you like this video, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, which I know you did. So until my next video, please stay tuned. Until then, bye.